All right, guys, these are the three names that I'm looking at going into next week. Not because I know that they're going to be moving, and of course, I'm not predicting anything, but these three names are at specific levels where I think important decisions are going to be made. So I'm going to go over Meta, Google, and Dutch Bros. Let me show you.
All right, so Google's actually pretty simple for me. This 345 to 349 area, it used to be resistant. Buyers finally broke through it, came back, defended it once already, and now we're heading back into that same zone. We're getting close. So I want to see if buyers show up again. If they do, I think there's a real opportunity for another leg higher. If they don't, no big deal. I'll let the chart prove me wrong and I'll move on. Meta is probably the most interesting chart on my watch list right now. For almost 3 weeks, this thing has been trading sideways inside this range. Neither buyers nor sellers have really been able to take control. What catches my attention is where we are at currently. We're right back down near support around that 583 area. So heading into next week, I'm watching two scenarios. Either buyers defend support and we continue this range, or sellers finally break and start working towards some of these gap fills below. I think Meta's getting close to making the decision. I just don't know which direction yet. Now, this is probably my favorite chart out of the three. Dutch Bros has been building a base for what seems like forever. You can see the descending trend line. You can see support continuing to hold. And now price is getting squeezed between the two. The level I'm paying attention to right now is 59.83. If buyers can reclaim that level and start accepting above it, pretty interesting, especially because there's not a lot of resistance until the mid 60s and then beyond. The key for me is patience, obviously. I don't need to buy because I like the company. I need the chart to prove itself first.
All right, so that's what I'm looking at going into next week. Google testing demand, Meta sitting at support, and Dutch Bros sitting in that squeeze for like all year long practically. So my work is done. The levels are marked. Now I just let the market come to me. You guys enjoy the rest of your weekend. Peace out.